Learn present tense stroke past tense in Igbo language and their meanings. Present tense, past tense. The first word is zere, avoid. Zere, avoid. Zere is in present tense. Past tense of zere is zere, avoided. You can see here that we have double A in zere. That makes it to be in past tense. Meye, open. Meye, open. Past tense of meye is meyere, opened. Zipu, send out. Zipu, send out. Past tense of zipu is zipuru, sent out. Weta, bring in. Weta, bring in. Past tense of weta is wetara, brought in. Zota, buy. Zota, buy. Maybe to buy something. Past tense of it is zotara, bought. Leta, care for. Leta, care for. Past tense of leta is letara, cared for. Teta, wake up. Teta, wake up. Maybe to wake up from sleep. Past tense of teta is tetara, woke up. Gbapụta, redeem. Gbapụta, redeem. Past tense of gbapụta is gbapụtara, redeemed. Zite, send in. Zite, send in. Maybe to send you some money. Past tense of zite is zitere, sent in. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Past tense of chere is chere, waited. Chere, waited. You can see that here in chere we have double A. That makes it to be in past tense. Like and share our videos. Thank you for following us to this end. Bye.